What's going on, small business owners? My name's Keaton with Dicio Media, and we're going to talk about building your brand online. So if you're a business owner, you don't know where to go next. You might not have a website. You might have a website. You might have social media accounts. You might not. We're going to take it from scratch, starting with nothing, getting from point A to point B, for your online marketing to develop your assets that you own and control. So getting right into that, let's define building your brand online. If you're renting leads or buying leads by the lead, and that traffic is not coming to your website, or you're not building an audience on your social media profile platforms, then you're not investing in your brand. You're investing in somebody else's brand, and they're just going to take that money that you're giving them and put it right back into their website, right back into their marketing to generate more leads to sell to you. So when we're talking about building your brand online, we're talking about generating that traffic to the website that you own and control, and building those audiences on that social media that you own and control as well. So when I look at starting from scratch, building a brand, I break it down into two different categories. We've got our organic and we've got our paid ads over here. So at the very beginning, you've got to get a website going right now. So even if you wanted to do Facebook ads, you can get away with it a little bit, but your conversions are going to greatly increase if you have a well put together, compelling website for your customers to go visit. So when you send them, whether it be ads, Google ads, whether it be organic social media posts, whether they find you on the map pack for Google My Business, when they get to your website, you have that compelling content there that really has the customer wanting to give you that information, because you've positioned yourself from a place of experience, knowledge in your area and industry. You've built that rapport to where they trust you, they understand that you're the expert in the field in that area. So build that website out. This is going to be long-term, right? So if you're in a competitive market, you're not going to see results from SEO for up to a year. So that's just going to be part of the game plan when you're strategizing on building this plan out. Don't expect results in a competitive market, in a competitive niche, for up to a year on SEO. Google My Business, you definitely want to set that up close to the beginning. You want to get verified with Google. They send you a postcard sometimes. Sometimes you can verify over the phone. Get your Google My Business up, put some photos on there, and add 2 photos per week, or make a post per week on your Google My Business. Same thing with your social media profiles. So your Facebook, your Instagram, you can hook those up, and the algorithm really wants to see you make at least 2 posts per week, preferably 3 posts per week. So at the same time you're making a post for social media, you can put that same post on your Google My Business. And it really, at that beginning of the 3 to 6 months, when your brand new website is in the sandbox and search engines and other visitors are still trying to figure your website out, it's really going to send the right signals to Google search engines of what your website's about if you have this social media profile active, and if you're also active on your Google My Business as well. But again, long-term goal right here. This is going to be the way that you get the lowest acquisition cost per lead, by far SEO, but it takes time. So if you want to go fast and you want to get some traffic going right now to your website, if you want to start building an audience on Facebook right off the bat, you've got the option to pay for ads. So 70% of people are going to click on those organics, not paying for ads, listing on that first page, but there's still going to be clicks going to this Google My Business. You are going to generate high quality leads from Google ads. Facebook ads is a cheaper form to generate audiences and traffic. It doesn't always have the best quality traffic as Google ads will, because at the end of the day, people are actively searching for those products and services on search engines. Facebook, they're not always actively searching for your services. You've got to show them that how you can help them, how you are different, and things like that. So it's a little bit more creative on Facebook. Google ads, people are actively searching for your products and services. You point these back to your website, you track your progress, and then you go from there, you optimize. So again, guys, this is just an introduction to building your brand online, building those assets, that website, those social media platforms that are going to be ready for the future. They're going to keep progressing. It's going to snowball. It's like referrals. As a small business owner, you know that friends, family referrals, people that you've already done work for, are your best bet to generate new customers. Same online. So this SEO, all this is going to work together to help generate those referrals, that online referral that's going to bring in more traffic, more leads, and really develop those assets that's going to build the foundation for your future. So hope you like this video. Again, check out our Facebook group. We'll answer any questions. We're going to have a YouTube channel, so there's more coming, and we'll check you guys later.